The ocean covers more than 70% of our planet. From space, Earth appears as a blue world, dominated by vast oceans stretching across the horizon. Yet, despite centuries of exploration, humans have barely scratched the surface of what lies beneath those waters. Scientists estimate that more than 80% of the ocean remains unexplored and unmapped. Vast regions of the seafloor have never been seen by human eyes. Entire ecosystems may exist in complete darkness, hidden beneath miles of water. And that is one of the reasons why the ocean continues to fascinate and sometimes frighten scientists around the world. For most people, the ocean is a place of beauty. Waves crashing onto beaches, dolphins swimming through clear blue water, colorful coral reefs filled with life. But beyond the reach of sunlight lies a completely different world. As you descend deeper into the ocean, sunlight begins to disappear. The water grows darker and colder. At a depth of around 1,000 meters, sunlight is gone entirely. Beyond this point lies a realm of permanent darkness. No sunrise, no sunset, no light. Only an endless black abyss stretching for thousands of kilometers. This is where the ocean becomes truly mysterious. Deep beneath the surface, scientists have discovered creatures unlike anything found on land. Strange animals with transparent bodies, fish with enormous teeth, creatures that produce their own light through a process called bioluminescence. Some of these creatures look so unusual that they appear more like aliens than life forms from Earth. And the deeper scientists explore, the stranger these creatures become. Every year, researchers discover new species living in the depths of the ocean, animals that were completely unknown to science. Some are found near underwater volcanoes, others survive under crushing pressure that would instantly kill most life on the surface. These discoveries raise an important question. If scientists continue finding new species every year, how many remain undiscovered? Some estimates suggest that millions of marine species may still be unknown, hidden somewhere beneath the waves, waiting to be found. The mystery becomes even greater when we consider how little of the ocean floor has actually been explored. Many people are surprised to learn that humanity has mapped the surface of Mars in greater detail than large portions of Earth's seafloor. Even with advanced satellites and powerful computers, enormous areas of the ocean remain largely unexplored. There are underwater mountain ranges longer than entire countries, deep canyons larger than anything found on land, vast trenches descending into darkness. Among them is the Mariana Trench, the deepest known location on Earth. At its deepest point, Challenger Deep reaches nearly 11 kilometers below the ocean surface. The pressure there is so extreme that it would crush an ordinary submarine within seconds. Yet even in these impossible conditions, life survives. Scientists have discovered fish, crustaceans, and microscopic organisms living in places once believed to be completely inhabitable. The existence of these creatures challenges our understanding of life itself. But strange creatures are not the only reason scientists remain cautious about the ocean. Over the years, researchers have recorded mysterious sounds deep beneath the waves. Some sounds were eventually explained as earthquakes, ice movements, or animal calls. others remain unexplained. One of the most famous examples was a mysterious sound known as the bloop. Detected in the Pacific Ocean, the sound was so powerful that it could be heard thousands of kilometers away. For years, people speculated about its origin. Was it a giant, unknown creature, a geological event, or something else entirely? Scientists later suggested that the sound likely came from cracking ice deep in the ocean, but for many years its true source remained one of the ocean's greatest mysteries. Events like these remind us how much remains unknown, and unknown things often create fear. The ocean is also home to the largest animals ever known to exist. The blue whale, the largest animal in Earth's history, can grow longer than a basketball court. Giant squids drift through the darkness of the deep sea, rarely seen by human eyes. Massive sperm whales dive thousands of meters beneath the surface in search of prey. Many of these creatures spend their lives in places humans can barely reach. Even with modern technology, scientists struggle to observe them in their natural environment. Every expedition into the deep ocean reveals something unexpected: a new species, a strange behavior, an unexplored ecosystem, or evidence that our understanding of the ocean is still incomplete. And perhaps the most unsettling fact of all is that the ocean remains one of the least explored places on Earth. We have sent spacecraft to distant planets, we have walked on the moon, we have built machines capable of exploring space, yet much of our own planet remains hidden beneath the waves. Scientists are not afraid of the ocean because they believe monsters are hiding in the darkness. They're concerned because the ocean represents one of the greatest unknowns on Earth. The unknown is powerful. It challenges our assumptions. It reminds us of how much we still have to learn. Beneath the darkness, beyond the reach of sunlight, lies a world unlike any other. A world filled with mysteries, discoveries, and unanswered questions. And somewhere in those unexplored depths, new secrets are still waiting to be uncovered. The deeper we explore the ocean, the more we realize that our planet is far stranger than we ever imagined. And that is why the ocean continues to scare scientists.